Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you how to use clone app feature in your mobile. First of all, you need to find the settings tab. Okay, here is the settings tab in my mobile. I am going to click on settings tab. A new window has been appeared. Now I have to find clone app feature. It may be with the name of app clone or clone app, like that. Okay, here I am going to click on app clone feature. Now here you can see all the possible applications that supports clone app feature. I have 3 applications installed that can support the clone application feature: WhatsApp, WeChat and Facebook. Right now I have not turned them on, so I have actually one application each of WhatsApp, Facebook and WeChat. Now I am going to turn any one of them and let's see whether it is activated or not. So I have activated WhatsApp. Okay, hurrah, WhatsApp application have been cloned and you can see 2 WhatsApp icons. Now I am going to turn on clone app feature for WhatsApp, Facebook and WeChat. And here you can see 2 icons each of WhatsApp, WeChat and Facebook. Hurrah, we have successfully cloned all the applications. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.